Efforts had been made in the past to settle ties between Israel and Palestine. Camp David Accord 1978 was supposed to be one of them. It was the US brokered secret negotiations between Israel and Egypt at Camp David, USA. According to the accord, Israel returned the Sinai Peninsula to Egypt, and in return, Egypt recognized Israel. The accord hardly had any impact on the status of the Israel-Palestine conflict. Protests broke out in Egypt, and the Egyptian president got assassinated in 1981. The formal, meaningful effort to resolve the issue was carried out between the two main stakeholders in 1993, named Oslo Accords. The talks were held between Yasser Arafat and the Israeli Prime Minister Yitzhak Rabin. The negotiations ended upon the recognition of Israel by the Palestinians, and in return, Israel returned the captured territories of Palestine. The progress on finalizing the accord was slow, and the talks were culminated without any breakthrough after the assassination of Yitzhak in 1995. After Yitzhak's assassination, another round of talks were held at Camp David. The negotiations were also fruitless. Several other formulas were also proposed by the global community to settle the outstanding issue. Quartet plan was introduced in 2002 by the European Union, the United Nations, Russia, and the US. It was called a roadmap for peace to discuss the fate of Jerusalem and discuss about the settlement policy of Jews. The fate of the plan was as same as the previous peace initiatives. Saudi King Abdullah-led Saudi peace plan was introduced in 2002. The plan was to settle rifts between Arab countries and Israel in general, and Israel-Palestine conflict in specific. The plan was proposed to recognize Israel by the Arab countries only if Israel show willingness to return the captured territories of Palestine. The plan was also went in vain.